Is the IndiaFirst Life POS Cashback plan a smart way to secure financial protection with returns, or just a glorified savings plan with limited upside? So let us find out the answer to this question through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So this is a non-linked, non-participating, limited premium money-back insurance plan. Some of the key features of the policy are: you get to pay premiums for a limited period and receive periodic payouts every third, fourth, or fifth policy year, depending on the policy term you have chosen. And you also get to make contributions during your active earning years while enjoying benefits throughout the policy duration of 9, 12, or 15 years. And you also get to enjoy regular survival benefits paid during the policy term, and you get a boost from guaranteed additions credited to your policy at the end of every policy year. And this plan provides you with life cover equal to the higher of 10 times the annualized premium or the sum assured at maturity, along with accumulated guaranteed additions. So you may be eligible for tax benefits on premiums paid and benefits received as per the prevailing tax laws. So these are some of the key features of the policy. Some of the benefits are death benefit and survival benefits and maturity benefit. So these are some of the benefits. Now let us take a look at the advantages. So some of the advantages are: guaranteed additions in this policy can boost the overall maturity benefit of your policy, and you get to enjoy a rebate for opting for a higher sum assured, and you also get to enhance your coverage by adding optional riders to the base policy. So these are some of the advantages. However, the disadvantages are: this policy does not offer you a loan facility, and you cannot customize the policy term or premium payment duration to suit your specific needs, and the sum assured offered under the plan may fall short of providing you with adequate financial protection. While the plan promises guaranteed benefit, the overall returns are not attractive from an investment standpoint. So these are some of the drawbacks that you need to keep in your mind before deciding to invest in this policy. So now, as you have a basic understanding about this policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to conduct an IRR analysis in which we are based on the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure to help us make a more informed decision. So here, for calculation purpose, let us assume that a 30-year-old individual purchases this policy with a sum assured of 2 lakhs. The policy term is 15 years with a premium payment term of 10 years and an annual premium of 16,888 rupees. Survival benefits of 40,000 rupees, which is 20% of your sum assured, are paid at the end of the 5th and 10th policy years. Maturity benefit of 1.37 lakhs is paid at the end of the 15th year, including 60% of the sum assured and guaranteed additions. So the IRR for this policy is, if you assess the payout structure, it comes around 3.39% as per the policy's maturity calculator, which is quite low. Even though the plan offers guaranteed payouts, the returns are not rewarding, especially when compared to other low risk investment alternatives. Moreover, survival benefits cannot be deferred or accumulated in this policy, which limits flexibility, and the sum assured of 2 lakhs is also too low to serve as meaningful life insurance coverage. In summary, low returns, rigid cash flow structure, and an inadequate life cover makes this policy unsuitable as either a wealth building tool or an effective insurance product. So these are something that we need to keep in our mind. So now, as we know that this policy is not giving us the desirable outcome that we need, let us now compare this policy returns with another policy's return, like another alternative strategy returns, in this comparative analysis. So in which we are going to explore an alternative strategy in which we are going to invest in insurance and investments separately, just to see whether it can be a more effective approach and it can give us better returns compared to IndiaFirst policy returns. So as per IRDAI regulation, the minimum sum assured for a pure term policy is 5 lakh, which the IndiaFirst policy does not meet. So in this comparison, we are going to assume life coverage of 5 lakhs and proceed with the calculation. So here, for life cover purpose, we have taken up a 15-year pure term policy with 5 lakh sum assured, which cost around 3,500 rupees per year for a 10-year premium payment term. So the remaining 13,388 rupees per year is invested in an equity mutual fund. So to mirror the cashback structure of the IndiaFirst plan, we stimulate similar periodic withdrawals and make the final redemption at the end of 15 years. So capital gains are taxed only at the end, leveraging the 1.25 lakh annual long-term capital gains exemption. So by the end of the term, the pre-tax value of the investment stands at 2.76 lakhs and the post-tax value at 2.74 lakh, yielding an IRR of 9.01%. And if you skip the interim withdrawals and let the investment grow uninterrupted, the returns could have been even higher. So if you have any doubts regarding how the equity fund tax is calculated, we do have a small tabular column presented on the screen for your reference, which you can pause and see. So this alternative not only provides you with higher returns but also offers liquidity and flexibility, features that the IndiaFirst policy lacks. So in short, separating insurance and investment helps you protect your family adequately while building wealth more efficiently, making it a far more effective strategy for achieving your financial goals. So what is the final verdict then? Is investing in the IndiaFirst Life POS Cashback plan worth it or not? So this policy may appeal to those seeking guaranteed returns, but a deeper look reveals significant drawbacks that limits its suitability as a comprehensive financial solution. What the plan offers and where it falls short. While the plan ensures fixed payouts at regular intervals, it comes with a rigid structure. You can't alter the premium payment term or payout timings. The policy term is locked in, cash flows are fixed and cannot be customized to suit your actual needs, adequate coverage and low returns. So this type of inflexibility means the plan may not support your financial milestones when you need them the most, resulting in a disconnect between your financial goals and the policy's benefits, and it also has a high agent commission. So what would be a smarter financial strategy? You can instead opt for a pure term life insurance policy which offers substantial coverage at a minimal cost, and the balance can be invested in diversified instruments like mutual funds, allowing you to earn higher inflation beating returns, maintain liquidity and flexibility, and align investments with your specific life goals. Combining insurance and investment in a single product like the IndiaFirst policy often leads to compromised returns and inadequate protection.
You can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.